What have I got to do?
Disconnect earth.
Disconnect main earth. Before I disconnect the main earth, what have I got to make sure of?
Isolate the power.
Why?
Because you've got no protection in the building.
What type of protection I'm looking for?
ADS.
Thank you. Automatic disconnection of supply. Once you remove that, you have removed automatic disconnection of supply until I touch a faulty part and I become a TT system. So I'll be taking the full load then. Right? Full amperage. So remember, 2 ports for what?
Dead.
Switch across.
Live.
Live. Okay. Remember that, you guys over there, from over there? Yeah, right, brilliant.
Yeah.
This time we will colour coordinate it. Alright.
The machine.
Now I'm going to set up my leads at this end, right, this end here. I will be putting a probe on the line. Crocodile clip? Thank you very
That was
much.
faulty.
Sorry?
That was faulty.
Is this the faulty
Yeah,
one,
it's
is
the
it? I
faulty
thought it was the earth one.
Green one.
It was the green one that was falling earlier.
Well, we're going to have to use it anyway. That's how I'll set up for live testing now. Alright, easy peasy. If it don't work, I'll swap it over. Alright, for live supply, because part of the phase sequencing is to check for live supply as well. Alright, so I know supply's coming in, which is great for us. So, as you've already done, we've got to do a ZE. So I'm going to identify the incoming earth, right? Don't get it mixed up with the bonding cables or anything else. There it is. Visually look for it. Disconnect. There we go. Alright, there we go. So, connections. You always do the connections in this way. Earth first, neutral second, live on. When it comes off, live, neutral earth. Right, there's a safety reason for that. I'm going to connect to my earth. I'm going to connect to my neutral. Doesn't matter which bar, I'm not fussed. Now, on my loop side, I have a no trip and a high trip. Now, when you get to the test instruments, well, you'll find out what's what. A no trip is a 15 milliamp right test current, so it doesn't trip a 30 milliamp RCD out. A high one is up to 25 amps of test current. Now, the no trip is a lot more accurate than the high is a lot more accurate than the no trip, because you've got more amps and volts in it, the machine can work better. I know this is not backed up by an RCD, going straight to high. Doing is DB1, L1, ZE. I'm going to whack into this, wait for it to settle down. There we go. L1 ZE is 0.98, okay?